saying that all the old conditioning or the programming has to be wiped out. But in another way, we're not really wiping it out, we're just sidestepping it.
Yes.
We're stepping aside and just saying,
Yes.
stay there.
That's why Bhagavan's word is transcending.
Transcending.
Yes, not wiping out and all that. We transcend. It is all there, but you are not getting affected by that. When you are in the now, doesn't mean time doesn't pass. But that does not affect you. The impact of that. When Jesus said, unless you become like suckling babies, that itself gives us a scope. We are already, the die is already set in for you and for me. At the age of 72, everything is set in. My concepts, everything is set in. How can I become a suckling baby? But unless you become like suckling babies, that gives us hope you can become. And that is, you have always the choice to identify with the time I am 72 years old, or remember the now has never moved. That's why I said time stands still. In the now there is no time. That's what Jesus said, unless you become suckling babies, where there is no iota of identification. That suckling baby doesn't even know this is my mother, this is my father, this is tree, this is milk, this is toy. The moment identification comes, means the thought has already come, the brain has already come. So descending from the brain to the heart is releasing yourself from all forms of identification which can take place only in the now.
So when we said before that silence is actually existential, and silence is not a concept.
No.
So then, in silence, in existence, in reality, in the now, we all are suckling babies.
Yes.
And transcending becomes the simplest thing.
Exactly.
It's just stepping out of the old and stepping into freshness.
That's why Ramana Maharshi's teaching is the simplest, the most direct, and the most natural teaching I have come across. Natural in the sense, I don't even need a teacher. I don't need a scripture. I don't need anyone to answer my questions, because there is no doubt. It's not arrogance, but truth. In silence, have you ever had any doubt?
So there's no question in silence. So then you just
Absolutely.
step, you just need the hint. The teacher gives you a hint to step into silence,
Yes.
step into the now, step
That's
into
what Jesus
existential.
said. That's what Jesus said. Unless you become like suckling babies. What is becoming suckling babies? How can a great master like Jesus or Ramana Maharshi or Buddha make a ridiculous statement like that? Sorry for saying that. How can Richard become a suckling baby? How can you go back? I mean, how can a master give importance to time or transformation, change? In a movie, Richard can be made into a child. But in real life, why did master make such a statement? Becoming a suckling baby should be the possibility, otherwise master would not make a statement. Why don't you stay with that statement of master, which I did? Unless you become like suckling babies. Whenever you are in silence, whenever you are in the now, whenever you are purely the I am, dropping Richard, you are a suckling baby.